Today we have, I think, my first ever makeup haul. So today I ordered a bunch of brand new drugstore makeup at Ulta. I got this super fast. I know some of this stuff is out in stores, but I live in Ohio and we always get stuff super late, so I was like, let's just get it at Ulta. I do have this makeup look on my channel. It should be up maybe now or later, I'm not really sure, but I'm using January's BoxyCharm on my face today. So if you want to see how to do this eyeshadow look and what's in the January BoxyCharm, definitely check that out. But let's go ahead and dive into this haul. Everything is bubble wrapped because I got this all online, as you can see, so I'm gonna have a lot of bubble mailers. I got the Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus. I have not tried this yet. I don't think this is new or anything like that. I got mine in the color Shell Ivory, so hopefully this will match me okay, but don't worry, I'll definitely do a review on this. I got a lot of new foundations and things to try, and a lot of new drugstore eyeshadow palettes. You guys, drugstore is doing the most. I've got this Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. You guys want more natural makeup or tinted moisturizer type of stuff. You guys know I love full glam, full coverage, and I'm excited to see if this works. As you guys know, my acne is getting so much better. So tinted moisturizers and stuff like that I'm definitely interested in on a day-to-day basis. So this is the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator with hyaluronic acid and squalene, sheer to medium coverage. So here is what this looks like. My camera has a hard time focusing. I got mine in the color Light, which looks a little like orangey to me, so we'll have to see how that is. I also got this Milani Supercharged Brightening Under Eye Tint in the color 120 Peach. So here's this. I actually wear the Garnier under eye roller, tinted eye roller, every single day, and that it's kind of expensive. It's like $13 or something. So if this is kind of a dupe for that, I'll be definitely excited because you get a lot more product in here. I'm excited to see if that will replace my Garnier tinted eye roller. Next thing I'm pulling out is this Essence Daily Dose Power eyeshadow palette. This is in like a cardboard box. I don't know if you can tell, but this is cardboard. It's not plastic. And then it had a little band on there, and then you open it up and oh, these shades look so fun and different. Like, this is such a loud palette for drugstore. I'm excited to see how this is. Let's go ahead and give it a little swatch here. Okay, Essence, I see you. Oh. Okay, they swatched better. Maybe they'll go better on the eyes. Sometimes swatches aren't the best, but they didn't swatch that great. They felt really, really soft, but I thought this palette was definitely something unique and different, something right up my alley. I also have the Wet n Wild makeup sponge. I don't know if Wet n Wild's come out with a beauty blender type of thing yet, so I'm interested to test that out as well. I also got an e.l.f. Smokey Eye Brush Kit. I don't know if this is new at all, but this comes with a bunch of different brushes, some blending brushes, like an eyeliner brush, and yeah, e.l.f. is affordable, so I'm excited to see how that works. I got another one of my favorite Milani liquid eyeliners. This one is amazing. Here's the one I use. This one is completely dried up, so I can pitch that and we can use this. This is a repurchase. Love this stuff. Next, we have a brand new Wet n Wild Brow-cessive, oh, like brow-cessive, like obsessive, huh? Brow-cessive brow shaping gel, and I got this in the color brown. It comes in clear, black, and brown, I believe. So this is a tinted brow gel. I use the Sigma tinted brow gel every single day, so I wanted to test this to see how this compares to that. Wet n Wild had a bunch of new things, and I'm excited to see how these all work out. They also have a new concealer here. Oh my gosh, this looks super pale. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito Concealer, All Day Coverage Concealer. This looks a lot more pale than it did on the website. Hopefully this will be okay for me and it won't be too light, but here's what that looks like. Again, I will definitely be testing that out for you guys. We also have their new eyeshadow palettes. They had a bunch of different of these 9-pan eyeshadows, and this one is in the shade Lights Off, which is more of a, I don't know, cool toned palette. I thought it was really interesting with this darker green shade. They had another one that was speaking to me as well, which had like an orangey brown. Wet n Wild eyeshadows are probably one of my favorite drugstore brands of eyeshadow. Those are actually really nice. And this, oh my gosh, that is crazy pigmented. Oh whoa, that matte is insane. These shimmers aren't swatching the best, if you can see them. They're probably not. I need a napkin. We also have the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. I've never tried this concealer either, so I want to test this out as well. We have, I don't know if it's a new Wet n Wild lipstick. This one is in the shade Mega Matte Bare It All, unless they just got new packaging for their matte lipsticks. It's got like a little chrome lip on there. Ooh, that's really pretty. Can you see that color? So there's the color there. That's super similar to the lipstick I'm wearing right now. So this is in the color Bare It All, and on my lips right now I have Velvet Teddy by MAC. Let me grab that out. That formula definitely feels, it's practically the same. So this one on the bottom is Velvet Teddy, and that one above it is Bare It All. So the Velvet Teddy is a little bit darker, but I would say it's very similar. This one is definitely way more matte, that's for sure. I haven't been this excited about makeup in a long time, so I'm excited to test all this stuff out for you guys. I have this palette. Oh my gosh, this looked so pretty. The BH Drop Dead Gorgeous Full On Crazy Eyeshadow Palette. Are you ready? Oh, like, look at this. Look how fun. No! What is up with me today? All the shadows I'm getting are busted. This silver is completely broken. It's completely shattered. The whole thing is in plastic wrap, if you can see. So I can't even like open it. Oh, I was so excited about this palette. Dang it. Another eyeshadow palette I saw that I'm excited to try is Milani's new eyeshadow palettes. They have these huge palettes. They're kind of expensive in my opinion for being a drugstore palette. So this is Milani's Gilded Terra. So it's a dusty rose earthy neutral palette, and this is the same thing. It's all sealed, but look at these shades. Can you see? Oh, and here's what the front of the palette looks like. It's a pretty heavy cardboard. So this green right here is like a duochrome green with like a gold in it. I don't know if you can see. Okay, this one has to be the most pigmented. Like, it's swatching. I can tell there's a lot of pigment there. Let's see. Oh, wow. So there are the swatches of those shades there. Look at those shades. Oh my goodness. My idea is to do like a full face of Milani, Wet n Wild, that kind of a thing. So that's kind of why I bought a lot of the same brand of stuff. And then the last thing I got is this Physicians Formula Diamond Dust Highlighter. I have not seen this before either. So, and this one's in the shade Starlit Glow. I'm not sure if this is in store or not. Whoa, so the packaging is this plastic, like it's supposed to look like a diamond kind of packaging here, and then you open it up and there's the highlighter. Ooh! There's like nothing there. There's nothing coming off. There's like nothing on the brush. I don't know if that did anything, or if that's just the highlight that was on here. Oh yeah, there's nothing coming off. It's super soft, but yeah, there's nothing coming off there. So I'm definitely gonna be returning that. So that is everything that I got in my Ulta haul. What was your favorite thing that I hauled today? Like I said, I am super excited to test out all of this stuff and do like a full face of Wet n Wild, full face of Milani, that kind of a thing. What is your favorite drugstore brand? If there is something that you really like from the drugstore, let me know what your favorite thing is down below so I can definitely check it out and purchase it and review it if you haven't tried it already. And again, check me out on Instagram at Shweihninzy and have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!